All right, moving on to some more news coming in. This is from Bihar Deputy Chief Minister and his big claim. He says that GST is set to be exempted from the health and life insurance. Remember, this has been an ongoing demand for a while. He said that the proposal to be tabled before the GST Council, he'll be doing it. And he said that after attending the GST Council meet, the group of ministers meet that happened. Now, what's the story here? Health and life insurance GST is currently at 18%. The government of India is exempting GST on life and insurance, life and health insurance premium altogether is under debate. 18% too high? Should we really be leveling that in a country where we are trying to encourage more and more people to get on health insurance and life insurance? Well, the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister now going ahead to say that all states have now agreed on the need to cut down GST on insurance premium. Much needed perhaps here in the country, especially when we are trying to get more people on board. Remember, one illness can really sort of erode plans for families at a go at this time. These insurance premiums, health insurance and life insurance premiums come into handy. But what exactly is the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister saying? Listen in.
इंश्योरेंस पे सब लोगों ने सबकी इच्छा रही कि इसको पास किया जाए और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का प्रस्ताव स्पष्ट है कि सभी जो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने लाल किले से कहा है कि इंश्योरेंस के सेक्टर में इंडिविजुअल या उनके परिवार के इंश्योरेंस को, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस को फ्री एक तरह से जीएसटी से मुक्त किया जाए। तो उस पर चर्चा हुई है सबका और इसका रिपोर्ट लेकर अब जीएसटी काउंसिल को मैं दूंगा।
सर, हेल्थ और लाइफ दोनों पे एग्जेम्प्ट करने की बात है।
हाँ, सभी मेंबर्स ने सहमति दी है। कुछ लोगों का अपना अपना व्यू है, कुछ लोगों ने अपने राय दिया है, वो जीएसटी काउंसिल को सबमिट।
All right. So the question is of exempting the 18% GST altogether. Karishma Sudani, our colleague from Business Today TV, joins us now. Karishma, take us through what exactly are the demands here. And interestingly, what's going to be key is numbers. How many states actually come on board on this one?
Sonal, I think it's very important for us to understand that this has been long-standing agenda on center state. It was expected at the 55th GST Council meeting in Jaisalmer that they would take a shot at actually reducing it to 5% because that was the centre's plan then, and even GOM's proposal, which is led by Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. But that proposal wasn't taken up by the council then, and now they are back to it, but back on table with a 0% proposal, which has also had some conflicting views among the GOM members. Now, what we've picked up from a couple of ministers that we've been talking to, say Rajasthan's representation, Telangana's and Bihar's, they say that one of the options on table is also to consider a 5% GST on the premiums. Now, if there is going to be a 5%, which is going to be a lower GST, then the centre will have to look at foregoing about close to 10,000 crore revenue. That is going to be the gap. And of course, it's going to be beneficial to consumers because that's a direct hit from 18 to 5%. But the second straightaway proposal that GOM says is they'd like to go it to 0%, that is nil, remove premiums on life and health insurance from the GST ambit. And that is going to be big, but all the power lies in the hands of the council.
Correct. So we will keep an eye on what the council actually decides. This is if it were to go through, even down to 5% or exempted altogether, this would be of great relief to people all over the country, definitely. We'll leave it there for the moment. Thanks so much, Karishma, for joining us.